So, anybody know what we're doing for lunch?
Yeah, we're trying to figure it out.
Yeah, I don't know.
Okay, so just let me know when you figure it out.
Wait. Say that again.
Let me know what you're making for lunch.
No, the other thing.
Let me know when you figure it out. Okay, so
Hey, it's Hollywood with Smash Bros. We're back with an episode 4, smoked queso. That new hotness all over the TikToks, the YouTubes. We're gonna do it. We're gonna make it gooder. Most people are using a breakfast sausage or a queso dip. What? But why? When you have these babies. Chorizo, you know what I'm saying?
Oh, beautiful chorizo.
And cook up our chorizo. That's step 1. God, why would you use breakfast sausage? It smells so good. Why would you do that?
Yeah.
Get it, something different and new, but man.
Nobody wants breakfast queso.
I mean, I probably would, but why not?
When you tell somebody you're going to bring smoked queso, you don't bring them breakfast sausage queso.
I wouldn't. I'm just cooking this fully cooked. I'm going to drain the fat, and then we're going to put that atop all of our other ingredients for our smoked queso. So, we'll let that rip, start cutting some stuff. Okay, we've got our chorizo cooking up over there. Get yourself a disposable pan, okay? It's aluminum boys. They aren't the strongest thing in the world, so I'm gonna double it up. Take it in and out the smoker to stir and whatnot. 9 by 13 inch. Start. We've got here 8 ounces each cubed pepper jack and Monterey Jack cheese. You can shred it if you want. To that, we're gonna add 8-ounce pack of the cream cheese and a whole chub of Velveeta. But we got the queso blanco because it's the goodness. Alright, to all my chef's cooks and home cooks out there, you know it's a pain to cut this and then clean your knife? Okay, check it out. Boom, boom, boom. Boom. Look at that. You dig it? So much faster that is? Same with the cream cheese. You gonna slop up your cutting board and your knife? No, fam. Look at that. See? Look at that. Genius, right? Not really.
I don't know why I've never done that.
Yeah.
Probably because I don't keep gloves,
I do.
but I probably should now.
Look at all that mess. You dig?
Where? Where's the mess and the lie, though?
Now we're going to start adding our other things. Half vidalia onion. I can add the whole thing. That was a big one. Alright, quarter of this big bad vidalia onion. And we'll call that good. This other half of that half instead of a quarter. Something else. Something delicious. Why is there only half, you're wondering? Well, because I made pico. Some real quick pico. Okay? Now, I'm going to add a cup of this pico. I'm using a smaller cup instead of a 1 cup measuring cup. So so I can get down there and scoop up some of the juice. So, there's one, there's a two, a three, and a four. 1 cup of salsa. You can use some jarred salsa if you want. That's cool. Next, even though we have a bunch of tomatoes already in our mix right here from the pico, I'm going to add 2 Roma tomatoes. Next, good amount of some fresh cilantro because it is delicious. Again, there's already some in there with the pico that I made, but extra certainly doesn't hurt. If you don't want to add extra because you're not a huge cilantro fan, don't. See how that works? Cooking? Don't like it, just don't do it. Yeah.
Weird.
Yeah. And next, 1 jalapeno. If you're adding a hot salsa, you think you don't need a jalapeno, don't do it. You know what I mean? If you're not a huge fan of spicy, super spicy foods, don't use one at all. Use a poblano, use a bell pep. You can char these ahead of time, like you would a roasted red pepper, or like a charred poblano, something like that. But I kind of think it's overkill. You're already smoking it, So I've got our jalapeno in there, seeded and deveined, as you can see there. Now, juice of 1 lime. We're gonna go a heavy tablespoon freshly minced garlic, because garlic.
It's good in everything.
Next, a little bit of cumin. Not a ton. Do that, a little sprinkle. Not very much. I'm gonna go ahead and call that 2 pinches. All right. Mexican oregano. Okay. Good. About a ½ teaspoon. That's the good. Now, I've already drained the fat, most of the fat from our chorizo. I'm gonna put that all up in it. Still hot. Get that cheese starting to melt immediately. Even it out as much as possible. And off to the smoker. I'm going to put this in at 225 for an hour and a half, and we'll start stirring it and checking it after that hour and a half. So, the smoker is cold right now. I'll put it in, turn it on. We're using mesquite and apple chips today.
Ooh.
To get rid of the mesquite. Now, if you don't have an electric smoker like the one I have, fear not. You can basically just run your smoker at 225, 230 mark. Do whatever you gotta do with your own smoker. It's all good, be the same, be delicious. It's been exactly an hour. We're gonna give it a quick look and stir.
Oh man.
Smoky boy.
Look at that.
Okay. Oh my. Oh, look at that. That meltiness. Okay. Okay. Got the Velveeta. Getting its melt on. Everything's getting happy.
I know, I'm happy just smelling it.
Mm-hmm. Another half hour, maybe an hour. Should be done.
Yeah, buddy.
Okay, we are at exactly 2 hours and 6 minutes since we turned old Ferda on here. So,
Ferda.
after a couple stirs, that is what we're looking like, fam.
Oh man. That's queso.
Yeah, look at this. Boy. That's the one. That's the one.
Yeah.
Okay, we're gonna check this out. We're gonna eat now. Oh. Right now.
I'm gonna eat most of that.
Yeah. You're not. Smells good.
Oh my god. It looks so good.
Okay. So 2 hours in the smoker. It looks phenomenal. You can make out all the ingredients. Jalapenos, tomatoes, onions, chorizo, little chunks of garlic even. Now we've got us some locally made tortilla chips here. Straight out of Grand Rapids, Michigan. My favorite. Here we go.
Oh, just in time for queso.
Yeah.
Like I didn't know. I'm sorry. It's not chorizo.
Yeah.
Wow.
If wow's all I get from him. Oh my god. That is ridiculously good.
Okay, so that's pretty good. Put that down.